Morning.
I suppose birds don't get like a Saturday fry-up or anything, do they? It's just birdseed every day. Worms, I suppose. That would be a wee treat.
With the daily updates you can't make up, it's the Black Isle Correspondent. She lives in Fortrose and tells us what goes on. If your isolation causes desperation, try the Black Isle Correspondent. If you're feeling grumpy, you'll find some company here.
A thinking bed, a princess, yes you will so. Oh,
Dog beds have been laundered. What a good drying day. Coal bunker full of lots of coal. Woohoo! Timber!
Wah wah.
I've got a scuttle full of coal.
And a bosom full of firewood. It's also probably full of spiders, so I'm going inside right now.
Saturday flowers, ma'am.
absolutely. Daffodils,
Bonnie.
they are. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vale and hills. And all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils.
And then I chopped them up with scissors
Then I
and put them in a
chopped them.
vase in the bedroom. Flower arranging.
Aye.
For oft, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills, and dances with the daffodils. That's a win for the Dictionary of Quotations.
Afternoon. Tried to get a wee bit more candid wildlife photography earlier on, but so far only managed to capture Dad singing to his iPad again.
Mary Mac's mother's knocking, Mary Mac, marry me, my mother's knocking me, marry Mary Mac, I'm gonna marry Mary. Mary will take care of me, we'll all Mac and Mary when I marry Mary Mac.
I've been scoping some jobs to do next week.
You're next, mate.
Know that rhyme about the days of the week. Monday's child, fair of face. Tuesday's child, full of grace. Wednesday's child, full of woe. Thursday's child, far to go. Friday's child, loving and giving. Saturday's child, works hard for a living.
G'day, Bob. What you doing in your head?
Putting the hammock frame together again.
Looks lovely. Ta-da! Does this get put away now?
No idea, bike.
What are you doing to the bike?
Pumping up the tyres, oiling it.
Noble steed of a bygone age.
And you'll be cycling it down the road today, won't you?
Oh, aye. I don't know if I will be taking this anywhere today.
Right. The first rule of any practical task, get a pencil behind your ear. That way, gives an air of authority, you look like you know what you're doing, people won't question anyone with a pencil behind their ear. You are welcome.
A lot of tools. But we already tried bashing it.
So the bike never quite got there. We were bested by a drill bit. One thingy got stuck in another thingy that meant the handlebars couldn't raise. So, unfortunately, no bike ride tonight, but Dad is committed to the cause and will be back at that tomorrow. And that's it for today. I hope you have a lovely...